Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I'm your Ubuntu King with another gem from my crown. Today, we talk about making money work for you. Many of us were taught that the path to wealth is simple. Work harder, work longer, and if necessary, work 2 jobs. But working 2 jobs creates exhaustion and less time for family. You increase your income, but at a cost to your spirit. I learned from my 91-year-old father. Time is the one resource you can never get back. Money can be earned again. Time cannot. There are only 3 ways to improve your financial future. Earn more, spend less, and invest the difference. Wealthy families focus on number 3. The goal is not to work forever. It's to build assets that continue working while you are sleeping, traveling, or enjoying retirement. Consider stocks, ownership in businesses. When companies grow, your shares increase in value and many pay dividends. Mutual funds and index funds allow you to own pieces of hundreds of companies, reducing risk through diversification. REITs let you invest in commercial real estate without owning buildings yourself, providing steady income through dividends. And don't forget insurance. Proper protection is financial defense. Protecting wealth is just as important as building it. Compound interest is the 8th wonder of the world. It rewards discipline more than brilliance. A person investing consistently for decades accumulates far more than someone who waits. Start early. Stay consistent. Building wealth requires sacrifice. Every dollar invested today is an employee working for your future freedom. Ubuntu teaches, I am because we are. True wealth is creating systems that benefit families and future generations. We must teach financial literacy, build businesses, and invest in our own communities across the globe. Do not spend your entire life trading hours for dollars. Use your income to acquire assets and use those assets to create freedom. If you're enjoying our content, please like, share, and subscribe to the African Ubuntu Global Network. Become a participant, not a spectator. Ubuntu, ownership, legacy, freedom. I am your Ubuntu King, and I'll see you in the next gem.